Hi children, in the previous class we have discussed the different types of reactions. Okay, we have discussed about the reaction with oxygen, reaction with water, okay, reaction with HCl and reaction with H2SO4. Okay, this all are when what will happen when they react with metals. See, next we are going to discuss about the what will happen when they react with a nitric acid. Okay, what will happen when they react with nitric acid? See, metals and non-metals. What will happen when they react with a metal? See, when copper reacts with a nitric acid HNO3. Okay, here 4 moles of HNO3. See, copper nitrate plus 2 NO2 plus water. See, what will happen when copper reacts with the 4 moles of nitric acid, copper nitrate plus nitroxide plus water? Whereas aluminum does not react with a nitric acid. Okay, aluminum does not react with a nitric acid. And magnesium, what will happen when magnesium reacts with a nitric acid? See, same when magnesium reacts with a nitric acid, magnesium nitrate plus nitroxide plus water is evolving in this reaction also. When iron reacts with nitric acid, what will happen? Okay, same. When iron reacts with nitric acid, ferric nitrate plus nitroxide plus water. When zinc reacts with nitric acid, okay, see, same when zinc also, when zinc reacts with a 4 moles of here 1 mole, okay, 1 mole with 4 moles of HNO3. First we have to see the balance the reaction and we have to consider which type of reaction. Okay, here nitric acid reacts with zinc. What will happen? Zinc nitrate is forming. Here zinc nitrate. When copper reacts with the nitric acid, copper nitrate. When reacts with the magnesium nitrate. Okay, when reacts with iron, ferric nitrate. When reacts with zinc nitrate is formed. In the same way, the byproducts obtained here are nitrate, nitric oxide. Here also nitrogen oxide. Okay, and water is evolving from the reaction. Okay. Some metals and non-metals, what will happen when they react with metals and non-metals? Okay, what will happen when they react with dilute HCl at room temperature and warm? With dilute H2SO4 at room temperature and See, when metals or non-metals, when they react with dilute acid at room temperature and warm condition, and also with sulfuric acid at room temperature and warm condition. First one, magnesium. When magnesium reacts with dilute HCl, it reacts to form hydrogen. Reacts to give hydrogen. Okay, H2. With warm, there is no reaction. Okay, sorry. Rapid reaction. Here also reacts to give hydrogen. Here also with warm also rapid reaction. Okay, see ma'am. Again see. Magnesium. What will happen when magnesium reacts with dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid? At room temperature, it reacts to give hydrogen. In warm condition, the rapid reaction will take place. And also in the same with sulfuric acid. At room temperature, reacts to give hydrogen. In the warm condition, rapid reaction. When with aluminium. In aluminium also, same. It reacts to give hydrogen. It reacts to give hydrogen. Here it is rapid reaction. In the same way with sulfuric acid also. It reacts to give hydrogen. And here also rapid reaction. Okay. Magnesium is also metal. Aluminum is also metal. When same aluminum also when reacts with the sulfuric acid at room temperature, it reacts to give hydrogen. In warm condition, here rapid reaction is taking place. In the same way, dilute sulfuric acid also same reacts to give hydrogen and rapid reaction is taking place. When in the same iron and copper, iron and copper also same, iron and copper also same taking place. See, when iron also reacts with the dilute sulfuric acid, it also reacts to give hydrogen. It also reacts to give hydrogen. And here with warm condition, rapid reaction is taking place. When it reacts with the dilute sulfuric acid, when iron reacts with dilute sulfur, same rapid reacts to give hydrogen and rapid reaction. Okay. In the same copper also, it reacts to give hydrogen and rapid reaction. In the warm condition with sulfuric acid also same. Okay ma. See again. When magnesium reacts with dilute HCl, it produces hydrogen gas in room temperature, means 25 degrees centigrade. In warm condition, when we heat some, the rapid reaction will take place. In the same sulfuric acid also, in room temperature, it reacts to give hydrogen. In warm condition, rapid reaction is taking place. In the same way, aluminium, iron and copper also, when they react with dilute HCl at room temperature, hydrogen gas is evolving. When it is in the warm condition, rapid reaction is taking place. In sulfuric acid also, same. They react to give hydrogen. Same magnesium, aluminum, iron and copper. These are okay. When what will happen when they non-metals? Okay. If we consider a non-metal, example charcoal, sulfur, okay, helium or neon or any. What will happen at dilute HCl and dilute sulfuric acid? We will see. What will happen when suppose charcoal or carbon, okay, or any non-metals. When non-metals reacts with dilute sulfuric acid in any condition, Radha, no reaction will take place. Okay, no reaction will take place with dilute HCl or with dilute sulfuric acid. In these both conditions, the reactions will not take place for any non-metals. Okay, for non-metals, they will not react with dilute HCl. Okay, in the same way, metals like iron, okay, gold and silver also does not react with dilute HCl and sulfuric acid. Okay, no non-metals does not react with HCl or sulfuric acid. Okay, thank you.